Hello everyone, today I'll be demonstrating the Java GUI application I developed to manage a library's book inventory at Victoria University, as answerable to the question below. So in summary, this whole thing sums up to set up this application that allows users to add, to view, and to delete books from MS and access database. Yeah, we can get this from this. You have been hired to design a simple Java GUI application that manages a library's book inventory at the university. The system should allow the user to add, to view, and delete books from an MS database. So let's get started. Well, I started with creating an MS Access database named LibrarySystem. LibrarySystem with a table, and it has 4 columns as seen here: book ID, title, author. Yeah, this is row, this is column. So these are the columns: 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Then this list continues depending on the author and all the books that go through here, the book IDs, depending on the data you're adding. Then in NetBeans, I opened a new JFrame form named LibrarySystems. Then using design view, added components, text field for components, entering the book's title, for example, the field. These are the different fields: the book, specific book, or any book that you're managing. Then the field, the other field is title, then the other is the author, then the year of publishing. Then created another one, JTable, to display the list of books in the database. It's a book table. Then there's a button, JButton, components for adding books, deleting books, and refreshing the book list. The next step is to implement the code. Walking through the code implementation in constructor. In the constructor of LibrarySystem, I called the initialize this. We called the initialize components after the constructor. The initialize component method helps us to set up the GUI components. Now let's look through this. Initialize components, connect to database, load book data. The initialize component method sets the layout and adds the necessary components to frame. Connecting to the database, I implemented the connecting to database method to establish the connection to the MS Access database using the refined JDBC. You can see here the string how we connect it to the JDBC. That is for the connection to the database. It has to go back to this what we had created here, right? We'll go back to the code. This connects to the driver, to the JDBC driver. These are the codes: driver, manager, get connection, then your print structures. Then we go to the next method, load book data. So we're going to load the book data. This method is to retrieve all the book records from the database and then displays them in the JTable. We've already seen the JTable. All the data concerning the books, regardless of what. the book ID, the book title, the author, the year in which it was published, the ID, every data concerning the book. This method it's to connect it to the table, to the J table. Then the other one was the add book method. This one inserts a new book record into the database. As you can see, it's simple just to add the book, because libraries keep changing. They put books out of stock, they bring in new books to update. Yeah, so it's the same. This was all inherited. All these methods inherit the first things. The title, the author, the year of publishing. Yes, then you finish. Then the next method was to delete the book. So same, there is nothing much about this one, it's to delete the book. We are simply choosing which book to delete. Like maybe the user can find out which books they no longer need and they delete them from their data. Maybe to go through it, as you can see, they tell you to select the row in which the book belongs. After selecting, you click, then you execute the thing. You delete the books from the book ID position, because it's like a representation of the book that's in the library. Then you delete, execute it, then you won't have it. You select a book to delete, then it will get out from the system for a specific user of the database. So now we're going to run this application. Go here, then you run it. Here it is. It gives us the book ID, the author, adding book, then you enter the book's title here, can create another thing. Then the new book is added to the database. You can delete book. You mark one of these. You click the delete button. Then you come here, select a book, and then choose to delete it. Can share with this. Delete our book. This, then we tap it. Oh, it has already gone. So that's how we do it. I've just deleted the books that are in this. Deleted. That's how it works. This was some other book with this book ID. Go back here. I'm looking. Then this one is to refresh. You click the fresh button to reload this that comes from the database, and then you update the table. So this is the library system for Victoria University. So I'm going to put back all the work I deleted, well explaining the application, and then create the GitHub repository named LibrarySystem.